the Scottish nature vibe. Whether it's a forest glen, rough track, mountain view, or loch or two, nature in Scotland is sure to thrill and delight. Whether climbing high or cruising low, even cycling through, the trails ahead, no need to wait. When outdoors exploring the natural vibe, adventure beckons around every corner, each footstep taking you nearer a stunning sight. So tell me, what will you do? If you like these creative vibes, why not consider a like, comment and subscribe? That would help this channel grow enormously. Many thanks. See you next time. Bye.